Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. So in this video, you will learn to remove the duplicate entries in Excel worksheet. Here I have placed some data which contains duplicate entries. So to find the duplicate entries, we need to highlight the cell at first. So in order to highlight the cell, select the data along with the column heading. And in the Home tab, go to Conditional Formatting. And in Highlight Cell Rules, click on Duplicate Values. From here, you can highlight the cell with any custom format. Suppose I want to fill the cell with yellow color and click on OK and click on OK again. You can see the cells are highlighted which contains the duplicate entries. Now in order to remove the duplicate entries, again select the data along with the column heading and go to Data tab. In the Data tab here you can see a small icon of Remove Duplicates. It depends upon the versions you are using. In some versions the icon will be larger also. So click on this icon. Here all the columns are selected. Now unselect all the items. Now if you want to remove the customer name which contains the duplicate entries, select the customer name and click on OK. Here it displays a message as 3 duplicate values found and removed, 11 unique values remain. This means that the customer name which contains the duplicate entries are removed from the table. Here the cells are still being highlighted which contains the duplicate values. In order to remove the highlighted format, again select the data and go to Home tab. In the Home tab, go to Conditional Formatting and go to Clear Rules. Click on Clear Rules from entire sheet. Now this will remove the highlighted format from the Excel worksheet. So this is how you can remove the duplicate entries in the Excel worksheet. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you.